Welcome back to the video, guys, and this is Chris J. Let We Go team, and we taking a little staycation. To me, a very, very well deserved staycation.
Definitely.
I wonder why. Tell them why.
Well, you see, today is a very, very special day. Today is the guy behind the Let We Go channel, guys. Birthday. Today's his birthday.
Yeah. So we taking our little staycation vibes. And I mean, we just work hard with the day job, the side job, the second side job, the editing of this video, which, you know, I just do it for fun. And a little reward and a little relaxation is sometimes very much needed and necessary. So we came to
The Brix.
Alright guys, so we just checked in and it was a little bit longer than planned because a lot of people are checking into the Brix. This place has become like the #1 hot spot. And of course I did a little pre-registration stuff and then I came in so they knew my booking was here and I met up with a gentleman by the name of Kerwin. Kerwin saw that it was my birthday. He verified. He said, alright Chris, today's your birthday. I am going to have you upgraded at no additional cost. So Jay didn't even know that. So, Kerwin, out to you, my brother. Thank you so very much.
So sweet.
In addition to that, Kerwin said at 9 o'clock he's going to send us some kind of special something. I don't know what it is. So, big up yourself, Kerwin.
Yes,
Kerwin.
Thank
If I don't get my 9 o'clock, I'm allowed in the upper. But so far, thank you so very much, Kerwin. Let me go up to the 9th floor, and you guys are gonna come with us. 9:15 is this. Hey, you right there. All right.
Lovely.
I guess let's do this. Oh, right. You know he's not gonna first views. This is lovely. Morning, Let We Go family, and we just spent our first night in the Brix. Sleep was good, everything nice, quiet. I appreciate it, quiet.
Good morning.
That's Jay in the background there, getting ready, because we go in for our complimentary, inclusive breakfast. Up some grub. What I actually appreciate is that they try to include some of the local cuisine. So you're gonna see some tomato choker, some pumpkin choker, we get some saltfish, and well, the usual thing like the scrambled eggs, the pancakes, but trust, you see that tomato choker? Trust me, take some of that one out. They come, if it's in here, well, they change it up a little bit, but Tomato choker, bossing it up. Lashing hard. So after breakfast, it's just level relax mode happening by the poolside at the bricks. And it's a small pool. 4 feet is like the deepest. You know, I could probably estimate this at about a 10 feet long, narrow, just enough for what you need to do. So we grab some of these cabanas, Jay gone in full relax mode. I definitely went and do the whole sunblock thing because you know, all you don't know how to play sunburn. So breakfast was legit. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I went down in the lobby area to get some of the footage of specifically, they have a really like a signature chandelier as soon as you're reaching the lobby area. So I catch him a footage and then boom, here comes Whitney. Whitney was like, hey, how you going? Is your stay going good? Whatever. Whitney decided to give me some information about the bricks and where the whole design came from and exactly what I was filming. And that specific signature chandelier is actually something in relation to sugar. If it's like the outline of sugar modules or whatever it is, but the entire bricks collection under the Marriott brand, bricks specifically is the way to weigh sugar, and the entire theme of the bricks is along sugar. So I just added a little slogan to that because they're sweet, so, and everything is designed towards that effect. All of their lamps or their chandeliers are designed to mimic something to do with sugar. Some of their artwork is along the lines of crystallized sugar in the form of some nice dessert of some sort. The attention to detail was really, really amazing. And thumbs up to you guys adding a little bit of thought to the execution of your idea.
The concept is very unique, and it's unique to Trinidad, and that is what I appreciate the most.
Yeah.
It's also linked to our ancestors' slavery, so it has a lot of history, deeply rooted in history.
Yeah.
You know, so the color scheme, the tones are very earthly, with accents of greens, Caribbean tones, yellows, teals, turquoise. Really, really amazing stuff.
I got a little understanding of that bricks and this autograph collection. So Marriott is like the owners of the hotel. So they made these really amazing hotels, like a chain of hotels, and they put it under a category called the autograph collection. And then within that collection, there is the bricks. The bricks is very unique to Trinidad. You ain't gonna go anywhere else in the world and hear of the bricks, because the bricks autograph collection under the Marriott is specific to Trinidad. We going and dive in our pool because the sun is just right for some wetting. Let me go.
To get into the pool, but when we got into it, ooh, it was really good. So we had to hustle because of time to get to lunch. Lunch closes off at 2:30. So we're here waiting on our red snapper.
Yeah,
and
we eating some fish.
Rice.
The menu is very Trini influenced. So you're getting maruga rice and these different terminologies that we were seeing. Store-bait fish or whatever it is. And So that's pretty chill. I really appreciate that they trying to incorporate Trinidad as much as possible.
And Tobago.
So that's really nice. How they decorate the place, everything looking so nice and pristine. I love the black and gold kind of decor. Quiet. A lot different from breakfast. Breakfast was ram out inside again. But lunch, I guess people will choose to either head out and pick up something. But wifey says she am back today, you know, as his birthday and all. And she just slip in a little lunch. They took us by some special room.
A private room.
Yeah, I think it's once you have about 7 or 8 people, you could go into that.
At no additional
private room.
cost.
Yeah, it's not an additional or anything. Once you have the numbers, it's sticking in this room. But that theme is more like a yellow theme. So, we're waiting, we belly in my hand, we're gonna eat my face. We're gonna eat my face for me. Right, so we come for the dinner tonight, we dress up. She looks amazing. Moving along.
No. He looks handsome, effortlessly handsome.
I'm happy to say that. And we're gonna eat with belly full. We just placed the order. We ordered some salmon, because you'll probably not know. We don't really eat other meats other than seafood, so.
Pescatarians.
Yeah. A big word for not eating other meats.
I'm kind of new to it. Well, a lot newer to it than Chris is.
So that's code for sometimes she's cheats.
I tried, but it don't tend to go down too good.
You may probably want to know how the lunch was that we had earlier today, and I'm gonna verify right now that it was absolutely excellent. Absolutely. Trust me. Just trust me. Kerwin sorted you out extremely perfectly.
That's proper.
And he working tonight. This is the second night, and the man working so hard. He come and he look for we. He extend we stay. Nice. He make sure Nakisha bring cake for we. He bring a Hennessy for me.
Tea for me.
He bring tea. This is Kerwin. Anytime all you come into the Brix.
Ask for Kerwin.
Ask for Kerwin.
Ask for Nakisha.
Ask for Nakisha.
Yes, Kerwin at the front desk, Nakisha at the restaurant.
Yes.
Absolute perfect service. The Brix, you all have it proper. Kerwin is the man with the plan at the Brix.
The man with the service.
The man with the service. Nakisha want to jump in anything quicker than quick boy.
Hi, good evening.
Guys, this is...
I start.
So this is our waitress for the night, Nakisha. She's been so polite,
Absolutely perfect.
so very funny, so very professional. She's even guided us on the menu.
It was nice having you all at the Brix. Come again.
Definitely.
Summary of the Brix experience.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Actually, what I love the most is bouncing up some of their workers, and I like the authority that was given to them to make it better for somebody who is staying here. For instance, when Kerwin met me at the front desk, he didn't know it was my birthday. He just saw that I had a registration. and he took it upon himself to upgrade me from the standard room to a little bit bigger.
Deluxe Queen.
That's what it's called. He also took it upon himself, based on the authority given by the Brix, to send up an amenity. Unfortunately, it didn't reach, but fortunately, Kerwin was able to still fix that. I got a whole birthday card. I get in Hennessy to bring drink.
It's not my birthday and I got tea.
She get tea. We got an extension on our stay from, instead of a 12 o'clock checkout, we got a little 2 hours extra.
And guys, you know, just something to note when you're coming at any hotel or any type of restaurant or so, you know, be kind to the waiters, the front desk personnel and stuff like that, because everybody's battling something at some point.
For sure.
And you know, you don't know who may have left a child behind crying, who may have been pulled out to work they're not supposed to.
Yep.
Just want some patience, understanding, and kindness.
For sure.
So when you see these people, be kind to them. Everybody's experience will be different.
Yes.
But it's really up to our attitude, how we treat them.
Yes, for sure.
Yeah.
So with that one, guys, thank you always for always joining us on the We Go channel.
Yeah.
We're trying to build the whole community into a family. It's family we building here now. It's
So
part of the We
subscribe.
Go family.
Subscribe,
Do what you just said. Subscribe.
comment, share.
All you know the drill.